How to log out of Facebook on all devices. Hidden setting. Did you know Facebook keeps you logged in on every device you have ever used? Old phones, public computers. Even devices you forgot about, and most people have no idea how to fix it. In the next 2 minutes, I am going to show you the hidden security setting that lets you log out of every single device at once. Let us get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering how to log out of Facebook on all devices in 2026 using a setting most people have never seen. This works on both mobile and desktop and takes less than a minute. Let us go step by step. Step 1. Log out of Facebook on iPhone. Open your Facebook application on your iPhone. Tap the menu tab at the bottom of the navigation bar. Scroll down to the bottom and choose the Logout option. When a prompt pops up, tap Logout to confirm. Sprout Social. Step 2. Log out of Facebook on Android. Open the Facebook application on your Android device. Tap the menu button, which is the hamburger icon in the upper right corner. Scroll to the end of the page and tap the Logout option. You will see a pop-up asking, "Are you sure you want to log out?" Press Logout and you are all set. Sprout Social. Step 3. Now here is the hidden setting: how to log out of all devices at once from your phone. Open your Facebook application and tap the menu button. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, then Password and Security. You will be moved to a page where you can see a list of all the devices and locations where you are currently logged in. Simply tap the Log Out of All Sessions option. On the next page, hit the Log Out button. Sprout Social. This immediately logs you out of Facebook on every device except the one you are currently holding. Step 4. How to log out of all devices from a desktop computer. Open the Facebook website on your browser and click your profile picture at the top right. From the drop-down menu, click Settings and Privacy, then hit Settings. Now click the Security and Login option on the left sidebar. Under the Where You Are Logged In section, click See More. Find the Log Out of All Sessions option in the bottom right corner and click it. Sprout Social. Step 5. How to log out of a specific single device remotely. Go to Facebook Settings, then Account Center, then Password and Security, then Where You Are Logged In. Find the specific session you want to end. It shows the device type, browser, location, and time, and tap it to log out of just that one device. Good show. This is perfect if you left Facebook logged in on a friend's computer or an old phone. Pro tip: after logging out of all devices, also change your Facebook password immediately for extra security, especially if it was a public or shared computer. Good show. Changing your password after logging out everywhere makes sure that even if someone saved your login details, they will no longer be able to get back in. And that is it. You now know how to log out of Facebook on iPhone, Android, desktop, and how to use the hidden log out of all sessions setting to remotely sign out of every device at once. Simple, fast, and one of the most important security steps you can take for your Facebook account right now. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Facebook security tips. Drop a comment below and tell me, how many devices was your Facebook logged into? I read every single one. See you in the next video.